Okay, so we've just batch renamed all these. I'm just going to show you a few little tricks as well we have while we're looking at this. So I'm going to go edit and I'm going to go deselect all. Now if you look just over to the right hand side here, you'll see the shortcuts that can do all the stuff that I want to do. So if there's something you do a lot, like select all for instance, you can use Control A. And this is the same as with Photoshop. All your shortcuts are just shown on the right hand side here. So for now, we're going to hit deselect all, and that just takes those selections off. So what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to show you how you can actually rename individual files, because we just renamed them all as a batch, but now if you wanted to rename them, you can just click to highlight, click in the name area there, and then you could just type whatever you wanted. So wedding favor, you could actually type that as the name if that's what you want, and then just click away, and I jump down, but you can see that's now a W, so that's at the bottom. It's alphabetically ordered these, and you can see there it's sorted by file name. If you want to right click, you can actually get it to sort them based on the date created, date modified, and all the different things there, and by the rating as well. And the rating is the next thing we're just going to look at here. So what you're doing is you're looking through your photos, and for example, if I just shot a wedding, what I quite often do is I go through them all and I'll look for some sneak peek shots that I can show my couple. Just 2 or 3 shots, because everybody likes to see just how the photos turned out. They want to see a few. So what you can do is you can go down to a couple of shots, highlight them, and we can actually create a rating system. Now here, if I click here, see these dots? Click on the right hand side, it gives me 5 stars. Click on any of the other stars and it reduces them down. Click on the end and it gets rid of all of them. So if I want, I can actually just go through and pick up the ones with the 5 that I think are the best and give them all 5 stars. So let's just do that. And then what we can do is sort by file name. Say you'd done this on a 200, 300 shots and you wanted to pick out the top 10, you could go by rating, and then straight away that's actually brought the top ones all the way down here, so they're all together. So it started off with the 0 rating and then ended up with the bottom ones there, so we can actually click this button here and it will actually put them at the top for us. And you can also look at these, we can right click and we can actually put a label on them. See the label? Just dropping out of the way there. We can label them whatever we want. We can actually also put colors on these. We just say we got the labels, and again shortcuts, Control+1 through to 5 does our stars, and we can also add the labels just here as well. So you can go Control+6, Control+7, whatever you want to do. And in the earlier versions of Bridge you could also put colors in there as well, so you could actually label them all with different colors. So that's actually useful for your workflow. You run through, you pick out the images you're going to use, and using the sort by rating you can get them all in the same spot there.